Hello, this is Zerotoll, device with zero gas and a private when users want it. So, what is Zerotoll? Zerotoll is actually come from my personal experience. I was once have uh, I was once at get a reward in USDC years ago, and I want to swap it for an Ethereum, but because in my wallet, the centralized wallet has no Ethereum, so I can't do any swap. I can't send the USDC also to my centralized exchange because I don't have any Ethereum to pay for fees. So the only solution back then is asking for friends to give us a few Ethereum, just enough for swap, or buy it on centralized exchange. So that's what I do. I top up my centralized exchange using my credit card, get a Ethereum, then send it to my centralized wallet, and then I can uh, swap it to Ethereum, or maybe just send it back to centralized exchange, and it doubled the fee, right? Because when you buy Ethereum on centralized exchange, you get fee. When you send it to DeFi, not to DeFi to your decentralized wallet, you get fee also. And yeah, on the decentralized wallet also you get fee when swapping or sending it back to centralized exchange. So then I think back then, why don't you just make a decentralized finance, decentralized exchange who doesn't need any gas fee? But the other means, decentralized exchange is uh, sponsored the gas fee, just like centralized exchange would, and reimburse users still need to reimburse it from their output token. So any fee sponsored by the decentralized exchange is reimbursed on the output token. That's why Zerotoll is come to an idea. And Zerotoll is actually live on Ethereum, Sepolia, and Polygon Amoy right now, so still on testnet. And it works with ERC 4337. Also, it works with uh, 87702, but not with MetaMask because it was once worked with MetaMask, but MetaMask for security reasons just prohibited, and Zerotoll cannot do well in MetaMask anymore because Zerotoll need to use a smart contract that is whitelisted by the MetaMask, and the MetaMask only whitelist their own uh, smart contract that they believe to be uh, valid. But Zerotoll, since it's still on testnet, so it's not valid yet. And also on Zerotoll right now, user can have an option to make their transaction confidential. So using the Core Phoenix architecture, uh, the user can finally uh, have a transaction that is not public but private. So that's a good update on Zerotoll today. And also in Zerotoll, since ERC20 is tradable in DeFi, but non-native token is tradable, have to be wrapped like WETH, Webol, or any other. But on Zerotoll, users can buy Ethereum. Actually, on the backside, uh, the relayer will buy uh, wrap ETH, but before send it to the user's wallet, it will be unwrapped first, then sent to user wallet. So users still get the native token, not the wrap output. And also in Zerotoll, users can contribute to the Zerotoll by providing a paymaster's fault or gas fee. So the pool proprietors will get 80%, but it's just a concept right now. It's not live yet. This pool is not live yet. So all data here is actually a mock-up because that will be for the next update of Zerotoll. This is the last one, the last update of Zerotoll. And right now, all data here is just on a mock-up. So it's not worked yet, but that's the plan for the next feature. So right now, let's test the swap. By default, when you don't choose any option here, then it is an ERC20 transaction as usual. So user will pay gas fee. And if users choose an ERC 4237, then um, it will be a gasless transaction. If user choose a confidential gasless intent, then it will be a gasless transaction with no public record. So it's a private transaction actually, not private. It's a confidential transaction. Yeah, that's the right one. And if user use smart wallet budget, then it will only work with smart wallet. And users who its wallet support 7702, 87702, then this tab will be unhidden. This toggle will be available for them. Let's say they use a preview wallet or another wallet that supports 7702, but for MetaMask, it's is hidden for MetaMask. Why? Because yeah, MetaMask has blocked 7702 for security reason, and it only open for several contract. And confidential gasless intent actually is a 4337 for the gasless. So it's same. This one is and this one is same. Only this one is with confidential transaction. So it use Phoenix as a chapter. So yeah, and there are several token available. The first one is a ZUSDC. It's a EXC 2612 permit, so it's really gasless. But for a token that use permit to, just like USDC, then it's gasless for a time. No, it's gasless for a part. The other half is not gasless, which is the approval from the users. It still asks for gas fee. And right now, I'm working on upgrading because USDC actually support PLC 309, and I will experimenting with it for the next update on the next wave, the USDC 309. So it could be true gasless is USDC already support that. And what else? Let's try. Let's try. First, we go for a one's confidential gasless intent. Let's try first with USDC. So you all can see. Okay, and let's get code. Okay, we get, and then we execute and do as a for approval. Need to uh, sign by users, but it's gasless. It doesn't ask for fee for the approval. Actually, from developer side, we can't. Technically, it's not gasless. Technically, it's a sponsored gas from Zerotoll, and Zerotoll sponsor it, but no lunch is free. Nothing is such a free lunch. So Zerotoll will reimburse the gas from the output token of the users, plus a fee for the protocol, and the fee taken for the protocol from by Zerotoll will be distributed to the pool provider of Zerotoll. It will take some time for confidential intent transaction. It's not as fast as the usual 4337 transactions without confidential. Let's just wait a little longer. Okay, let's wait more for the transaction to be finished. Okay, it's successful. And yeah, it's successful. Oh, wait a minute. Let's try with USDC. Get caught again. And users pay gas fee for the approval. Let's execute. while we wait here, let's revisit this one. And yeah, it's truly private. Uh, the user's address is nowhere to be found. Okay, it's nowhere to be found. And yeah, now let's check log. Oh, this is the users. Is that the user? Yeah, that's the user. On state differences. Yeah, it's not really private because we still can find users. Even though here user are nowhere to be found. Finalize will be the person. Yeah, it's different one. It's finalized. Yeah, different. And this one is for USDC. No, this is not users, right? Yeah, it's not. No, that's users. Lapan, lapan. Nah, it's not really private. My bad. Still work more on it on Phoenix architecture. I guess I got it wrong because yeah, we can still find the user's wallet in the state also and a transaction also. So yeah, I guess more work to do for me for the confidential gasless intent as it's not really work right now. That's why the ISO 3334 4337 ELC. And let's see, maybe something wrong on my side. Let's wait for confirmation. Okay, yeah, I still. Let's try ZUSDC and go back to. Let's see. Mm, yeah, it worked. Yeah, okay. For ZUSDC also work. Different, right? Yeah, different. Yep. Okay, I think that's wrap up for this wave update, and still a lot to do for the next update because the confidential gas testing plan actually not confidential because yeah we still find the user's wallet at the end. So 2CD, no, it's not users. Where's the users? Users is 2CD 848, 2CD 848, and the users is yeah CD 848. Yeah, it's this is one is users, and also here even though we can find user here, but we can find users on the state, and on this one we can find users here, and also we can find users on state. So yeah, that's a bad sign of confidence. So that's the then I think I got it wrong from the start, and I still need to work on it before I work on BRC 209 permit. Okay, thank you all. I hope you like it, and I hope I win. Yeah, I hope I pass this wave in the next, so I can do more update in the future. Thank you.